Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to do something a little bit different and pretty much tell you guys what my favorite deep conditioners are. I'm actually getting ready to get in the shower in a couple minutes after I do this video to deep condition my hair, and I thought that it would be a good idea to pretty much put you guys up on game. Some people have been using the same deep conditioners and things for their hair for forever, and I kind of just want to show you guys what products I use for mine. I did work at Ulta years and years ago, and I was able to experience some of their higher end products, and ever since I've been more willing to pay more money for my products because I saw what a good product can do for your hair. So a lot of these are going to be a little over, probably over $20. So my first one is going to be the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. It looks like this, and I got this from Sephora. This was like in the $30 range. I've used this about 3 or 4 times. I love this stuff. I actually got this from the Glam Twins 334, if I'm not mistaken. They put me up on this one, and I really love it. It comes in cream form, and it smells really good. I like it has like a clay-like fragrance. I'm gonna at least, because I use this for me and my daughter, I'm gonna at least get 10 uses out of this, because I've already used this on me 3 times and for her twice. So maybe not 10, but I'll get at least another 3 uses out of this. So I don't know why I wanted to show you guys that, but I did. My next product, oh my gosh, I love this stuff. It is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian, I think it's anti-breakage and repair antidote. I love this stuff. This is actually my 3rd container of this stuff. So I really like this one. I'm gonna be honest, this one is over $10 for sure. It's probably, yes, over $10 for sure. But when they have their sales online and when they have their sales at Sally Beauty, I'm usually on it because I use a lot of Main Choice products. I love their stuff. I think the last time that they had a sale, I got almost $200 worth of stuff. And if you guys want me to, comment down below if you guys want me to tell you guys which Main Choice products I use, because I use a lot of them. Like almost my whole hair care regimen is the Main Choice because they smell so good. Like, yeah. My next product is going to be Joico's K-Pack Deep Penetrating Reconstructor. I love this stuff. This is more like a protein treatment, but it's really good. This is over $20 too. It is what it is. I'm bougie. I don't care. But this stuff works really good. I've been using this since I worked at Ulta. And hold on just a second. I use this too. This is my everyday conditioner that I use for my hair. So on the weeks that I just want to co-wash, or the weeks that I am don't really have time to deep condition, because I leave deep conditioners on my hair for a very long time. And usually when I don't have time to deep condition, when I just want to go ahead and get it done, I use the Joico K-Pack conditioner to repair damage. It's the gold one. But yeah, like I was saying about this one is more of a protein treatment. So when you feel like your hair is pretty much going through the trenches, go ahead and use this one. So another one that I really like, and this one is actually affordable. I think this one is only like $12 or $13. It is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with African Rock Fig and Baobab Oil. So this one, let me just say that I am not a huge fan of Cantu, and I'm not a huge fan of Shea Moisture. However, this Manuka Honey line, it's all right with me. Like the other ones, I don't really like them. They're not my, I just don't like them. Okay, last but not least is going to be the It's a 10 hair mask. It is so bomb. I'm gonna sit it right here. Sit it right here. It is so good. Like, I love that stuff. I think it leaves my hair, well, I don't think it leaves my hair feeling so much better and so much softer. Yeah, that stuff is the bomb. It is expensive. I think it's like $30 a jar, but it works. My thing is, if it works, I don't mind spending the money that I need to spend to get my hair back together. You know, if it works, I'm gonna spend the money. And if you guys have any other deep conditioner or hair mask recommendations for me, go ahead and put them in the comments down below. Like, I'm always looking for new stuff. The reason why I have this many deep conditioners in the first place is because I don't want me or my hair to get used to any particular product. So I'm always switching things out. And that's another reason why I even have this YouTube channel, is because I shop so much that I can formulate an opinion on multiple different products, because I'm always switching things. But yeah, I don't want this video to be too long. So if you guys have any questions about these particular products, go ahead and put a comment down below. And if you have found yourself here more than once and you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Like, subscribing is literally free. If you like videos like this, go ahead and like as well. Thanks for watching, guys.